Can you believe it? The scene you see in front of you is not the world, but the Earth 45 billion years ago. It is such a seemingly lifeless planet, but miraculously gave birth to life. Time goes back to 45 billion years ago, about a year after the birth of the Earth. It is full of a huge, and on the surface, it is full of radiant, hot viscous sphere, which is radiantly emitting hot waves from the inside of the planet. At that time, the atmosphere layer of the Earth was extremely thin, and the main components are hydrogen and oxygen. Because this field has not yet formed, most of the hydrogen and oxygen are curled up by the sun, leaving the Earth and the universe difficult to escape. At the same time, the Earth is in a position of constant star explosion, frequently hit by small stars and comets. This process is named by scientists as a hit. In this seemingly cruel hit, the quality of the Earth steadily increases. Later, a planet named Theia collided violently with the Earth with a force of thunderous force. The huge energy generated by this collision completely restores the orbit of the Earth's fate. What is amazing is that in this crash, the only satellite of the Earth, the Moon, miraculously gave birth. And from then on, a long period of time with the Earth and the Moon began. At the beginning of the birth of the Earth, there was a crisis, and every step was full of difficulties. But the seeds of life have grown in the chaos. With the arrival of small stars and comets, water has become a key element in the restoration of the fate of the Earth. Although the water on the Earth is not entirely due to these meteorites, but scientists have deduced through a lot of research that most of the water does come to the Earth in this way. Frequent hits are like a field of life. For this young planet, a large amount of water resources are constantly being transported. As time goes by, the Earth begins to gradually cool down. In this process, the matter appears to be significantly divided. The heavier elements sink to the center of the Earth under the influence of gravity, and the lighter compounds, such as water, gradually rise to the surface of the Earth. Then the volcano frequently erupts, releasing carbon dioxide, carbonate, and more water vapor into the atmosphere. As the sun sets, the water vapor accumulates, and eventually forms a vast ocean. And the mature atmosphere also comes to life in this series of complex changes. For the birth and reproduction of future life, a solid foundation has been laid, and a brilliant life legend has